Here we are with the first of our Glo-Bus Super Secret Strategy series. I'm Patrick Law, Glo-Bus Grand Champion, with the most successful basic strategy of all. With the thanks to our friends at Rocket Source for the graphic, quickly, this strategy has 4 phases: start, growth, scale, and maturation. Here are some of the results for company J's run. EPS, shared with generous permission, that you might see for this type of basic strategy. Here is start, growth, scale, and maturity. This is how you feel at the start. Why? Because look at these EPS numbers during the startup phase. They are far less than the investor expectations. Low ranking, and what makes you feel the worst is that they are lower than the investor expectations. What are we doing here? In the start phase, we buy as efficiently as possible, as much market share as our factory will allow. Look at that market share go up. Our market share increases are only limited by 2 things: the maximum expansion of our facility that Glo-Bus allows, and the debt to equity and current ratio limits that we impose on ourselves. This is how you will feel when you start the growth phase. EPS will dramatically increase as you start to see the feedback of your high market share on your high image, because we all know that market share is a determinant of image. During the scale phase, you'll probably feel pretty sly. Remember, this is the inflection point of your growth. You are no longer spending all of that EPS on forcing your company into growth. This allows your EPS to rocket up as you sit at the absolute maximum optimized EPS for your now oversized company. In maturity, you feel complacent. And like all mature companies, other companies will try to push you down by hurting themselves as the market's operating profit margins decrease to 0. But this doesn't bother you, because your relative economies of scale allow you to have twice the volume at the same profit margins as other companies. Now to summarize, the Glo-Bus growth cycle strategy: it starts with an outsized market share push during the first quarter, aggressive growth in the second, a consolidation of scale in the third, followed by a maturation phase of low to no growth going into the final year. That's it. Thank you, Glo-Bus, for modeling real life in this way so well. If you like this content, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.